तो और एक नया वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। तो ये मेरा ओपम का आज सेकंड वीडियो है, ठीक है। तो आज से मैं क्या करूँगा, तो ओपम में जो जो पिछले साल में जो जो क्वेश्चन आया है उसको सॉल्व करूँगा। तो आज क्वेश्चन सीरीज में ये फर्स्ट वीडियो है, ठीक है। तो उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि आप ज़रूर मेरा पहला वीडियो देखा होगा, क्योंकि उसमें मैं जो जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच ज़रूरत है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए उसको मैं बता दिया, ठीक है। और जो जो फार्मूला भी चाहिए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए उसको मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है। तो पहले आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि वो वीडियो पहले देख लो। तो आज से स्टार्ट करता हूँ मैंने ओपम का सीरीज, ठीक है। तो गाइज और एक चीज़ मैं सजेस्ट करूँगा कि अगर आपको ओपम के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं, तो आप एक काम कीजिए, कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट के मटेरियल ले जाओ और अच्छा से पढ़ाई करो, ठीक है। कि क्योंकि मैंने इधर सिर्फ जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच बता दिया, लेकिन आपको हर कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है।
तो गाइज आज का वीडियो मैंने शुरू करता हूँ, ठीक है। तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या दिया गया है, देखो। विद द आइडियल ओपम द सर्किट शोन इन फिगर सिमुलेट्स द इक्वेशन। मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आउटपुट वोल्टेज in an equation form. Okay, so which option will be correct? So see guys, अगर तुम्हें मेरा पहला वीडियो देखा होगा तो तुमको ज़रूर पता होगा कि ये एक इंटीग्रेटर सर्किट है। तो ये एक इंटीग्रेटर सर्किट और ये एक समिंग एम्पलीफायर, ये एक समिंग एम्पलीफायर। So you have to find out the output voltage equation. So we know the output equation of the summing amplifier as V0 is equal to minus RF R1 into V1 RF by R2 into V2 plus RF by R3 into V3. Okay, where RF is this feedback resistance and these are R1 R2 and these are R3. Okay, so here V1 is, this thing is V1. Let's say I'm taking Vx as V1 is already given. So let's say this is Vx. Okay, so what is Vx? See, this is the output of the integrator circuit. Okay, so Vx will be integrator circuit output, the integration of the input minus 1 by RC V1 dt. Okay, so put the value of given circuit. Here R is 10k and C is 100 microfarad. So 10k means 10 into 10 to the power 3 and capacitor value is 100 microfarad. 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 V1 dt integration. This is minus 1 by 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 1 V1 dt. Okay, so this is minus V1 dt. So this is Vx equation. Okay, so here put the formula to get out the output voltage equation. See, this is V0. Okay, so put the value minus RF. RF is 20k in all cases. This is 20 by R1. R1 is 10k. 10k. V1 is here Vx. Okay, Vx plus RF is 20. Then R2. R2 is 5k and R3 is 4k. So I am directly putting 20 by 5 V2 plus 20 by 4 V3. That is minus 2Vx minus 4V2 minus 5V3. Okay, this is minus 2Vx and Vx is minus V1 dt. So minus into minus plus 2 into V1 dt. This is minus 4V2 and this is minus 5V3. So this will be the output equation. So check which option is matching. V0 is equal to 2V1 dt, 2V1 dt, 2V1 dt and minus 4V2 minus 5V3. So option A is matching, hence option A is correct. So guys, coming to question number 2. Okay, so read the question first. An ideal op-amp is used to make an inverting amplifier. See, this is inverting amplifier since supply is connected to negative terminal. The two input terminal of the op-amp are at the same potential because see, these are two input terminal, means V plus is equal to V minus. So why? you have to find out the option. Okay, let's start. Going to option A, the two input terminal are directly shorted internally. The two input terminal are directly connected internally. So this is not the structure of op-amp. So this is wrong. Okay. Option B, the input impedance of the op-amp is infinite. Yes, the input impedance is infinite. That's why current is going through input terminal is 0. But due to this reason, you cannot get V plus is equal to V minus. Means inverting terminal voltage is equal to non-inverting terminal voltage. You cannot find out with this data. So option B is wrong. Let's check option C. The open loop gain of the op-amp is infinity. Open loop gain. Let's see. Open loop gain. Open loop gain means V output by V input, or you can say V output by V differential voltage gain. Sorry, Vd is equal to differential input voltage. Okay, Vd is equal to differential input voltage. Okay, so open loop gain infinite means Vd must be 0. See, V0 by Vd is equal to infinite, means Vd is equal to 0, and Vd is nothing but V plus minus V minus, so is equal to 0. It implies V plus is equal to V minus, so it is satisfying. So option C is correct. Okay, let's check CMRR. So CMRR is nothing but common mode rejection ratio. Common mode rejection ratio, and it is given by AD by SC. Okay, so AD means differential mode gain, and AC means common mode gain. Common mode gain. So C, here given CMRR is infinite. Is it the region for V plus is equal to V minus? So how to check? C, CMR is equal to AD by AC. This is infinite given. So AD may be infinite or AC may be 0. This might be two possible reason. Okay, let's see. Check. When AD will be infinite? When, since AD is equal to V output by VD, means VD, when VD is equal to 0, then AD will be infinite. Again telling, AD is equal to V0 by VD. AD may be infinite or SC common mode may be 0, so that AD by 0 will be infinity, or infinite by something value is equal to infinite. So I am taking AD is equal to infinite. Let's say V0 by VD is equal to infinite, means VD must be 0, implies V plus minus V minus is equal to 0. So you can say V plus is equal to V minus. So this is another reason. So option D is also correct. तो गाइज क्वेश्चन आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ से लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, इधर सर्किट लेकिन कर दो इधर से. सो ऑप्शन सी एंड डी आर करेक्ट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. तो गाइज कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. सी, given figure shows a non-inverting op-amp. Non-inverting op-amp means to positive terminal supply are connected. Okay, and we have to find out the output voltage is how much. See guys, in this type of question you can find out the output voltage only by the KCL equation. So put KCL equation both at inverting terminal and both at non-inverting terminal. See, the question has not mentioned it is an ideal op-amp or a practical op-amp. So take it as it is an ideal op-amp. So for ideal op-amp we can say by virtual ground concept V plus is equal to V minus, means voltage at this point and voltage at this point are equal. Okay, so if we find out the voltage at here, then we can put KCL equation V minus minus 0 by R plus V minus minus V0 by 2R is equal to 0. So V minus minus 0 by R plus V minus minus V0 by 2R plus V minus minus V0 by 2R is equal to 0. Okay, so you have to find out the voltage at inverting terminal. See, now put KCL equation at this point. See, this is V plus. Okay, so we can find out by KCL equation V plus minus 2 by R plus V plus minus 1 means V plus 1 by R plus V plus by R is equal to 0. So taking LCM R, V plus minus 2 plus V plus 1 plus V plus is equal to 0. That is V 3 V plus minus 1 is equal to 0. That is V plus is equal to 1 by 3. V plus is equal to 1 by 3 volt. So this is equal to V minus. Okay, so put V minus 1 by 3 here. So this is LCM 2R and 2V minus plus V minus minus V0 is equal to 0. This is 3V minus V0 is equal to 0. This is V0 is equal to 3V minus. V minus is equal to V plus. So 3V plus and V plus is equal to 1 by 3. So this is 1 volt. This is answer. So answer will be 1 volt. So let's start question number 4. Okay, read question first. Let the magnitude of the gain in the inverting op amp. See, supply is given to inverting terminal, so it is inverting op amp, and here one more thing given, magnitude of the gain. See, gain for inverting op amp, gain is equal to minus RF by R1, but magnitude means simple RF by R1. Okay, so it is given magnitude of the gain in inverting op amp shown be X with switch S1 open. See, when switch S1 is open, then current will flow through. Here I current is 0, then current will flow through this direction. Since switch S1 is open, it will not flow through this direction. It will flow through this V in to this R, then to output. Okay, so RF you can say 2R. RF is 2R when S1 is open. So gain is equal to RF by R1, that is 2R by R. This is 2 and it is given X, magnitude of gain when switch S1 is open, means X is 2 here given. Then it is asking when the switch is closed, the magnitude of gain becomes. See, when the switch S1 is closed means this is a short circuit path. So now current will flow from input to R, then in this direction, then to output. Means you can say RF is equal to feedback resistance is only R, and since it is not passing through this resistance, so feedback resistance is equal to R when switch S1 is closed. So gain is equal to RF by R1. Since magnitude is asking, this is R by R, this is 1. So if X is equal to 2, then 1 is equal to X by 2. So answer will be ऑप्शन ए. तो आपको गाइस क्वेश्चन डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, तो इधर से आप सर्किट कर सकते हो. Okay, coming to next number question number 5. See, a non-inverting op amp is shown in figure. Non-inverting op amp, since supply is given to positive terminal. Okay, so non-inverting op amp. The output voltage is V0 is how much? See, in this type of equation, when the question is asking to find out the output voltage, then you have to apply only KCL equation, both at inverting and both at non-inverting terminal. So put, see, this is the question itself not mentioning anything, means it is an ideal op amp or practical op amp. So take it as ideal op amp. So for ideal op amp, by virtual ground concept, V plus is equal to V minus, means voltage at non-inverting terminal and voltage at inverting terminal are equal. So put KCL equation here. This is V plus and this is V minus. So V plus minus 2 means V plus 2 by R plus V plus minus 2 plus sin 100t minus 2 plus sin 100t by R is equal to 0. So take LCM R, V plus 2V plus 2 minus 2 minus sin 100t is equal to 0. 2 to cancel, 2V plus is equal to sin 100t. So V plus is equal to sin 100t by 2. Okay, so now put KCL equation at this inverting terminal. V minus 0 by R plus V minus V0 by 2R is equal to 0. So KCL at, let's say this is B point, KCL at B means non-inverting, it means in inverting terminal. Okay, V minus by R plus V minus by 2R, V minus by R plus V minus V0 by 2R minus V0 by 2R is equal to 0. So take LCM, 2R, this is 2V minus, this is plus V minus V0 is equal to 0, 3V minus is equal to V0. So V0 is equal to 3V minus and V minus is equal to V plus. So 3 into V plus and V plus is equal to sin 100t by 2. Sin 100t by 2, that is 3 by 2 sin 100t. So only KCL equation you have to apply at both the terminal and you will get the output voltage. Okay, so 3 by 2 sin 100t is the answer. तो आपको गाइस क्वेश्चन डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, लेकिन सर्किट नहीं मिलेगा, तो सर्किट आपको इधर से कॉपी करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है,
तो गाइज आज मैंने 5 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया है. ठीक है, तो वीडियो कैसा लगा आप कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना, और किस किस चीज़ में मेरे को इम्प्रूव करना चाहिए आपको ज़रूर बताना. ठीक है, तो ये मेरा पहला ही एक्सपीरियंस है, तो आपका कमेंट मेरे को ज़रूर चाहिए. ठीक है, तो कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना, और वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है तो आपके दोस्त के साथ शेयर कर लेना और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. ठीक है, तो आज का वीडियो मैंने एंड करता हूँ.